Hello everyone, welcome to La Forêt. Today we are going to discuss about negation. La négation. To make a sentence negative, we need to follow two steps. 1. Identify the verb. 2. Add ne, pas or any other negative adverb around it. Let's say the sentence is Il regarde la télévision, which means he is watching the television. Now we need to identify the verb, which is regarde. Now as I said earlier, we are going to place ne and pas around it, which will give us Il ne regarde pas la télévision, which means he is not watching the television. There are many different negative adverbs that are used in French. We will discuss them one by one. The first, as we already saw, is ne pas, which indicates that a particular action is just not happening. For example, il ne joue pas au football, which means he doesn't play football. The second adverb is ne rien. This is used with transitive verbs to indicate nothing. For instance, il ne mange rien, which means he doesn't eat anything or he eats nothing. The third negative adverb is ne plus, which means no longer or not anymore. Example, nous ne chantons plus, which means we don't sing anymore or we no longer sing. Fourth negative adverb is ne jamais, which means never. For example, tu ne voyages jamais. You never travel. The next negative adverb is ne personne, which means nobody. For example, il ne connaît personne à la fête. He knows nobody at the party. And our last negative adverb is ne que, which means only. For example, ils ne boivent que du café, which means they only drink coffee. And that was all of the negative adverbs. Please remember that if your verb starts with a vowel, you need to make sure that you are putting it as an apostrophe instead of ne. For example, il n'aime pas les chiens. Nous n'écoutons pas de musique. And that's it. Make sure that you have noted down all of the negative adverbs and the two steps required to make a sentence negative. Make your own sentences and post them in the comments down below. Merci beaucoup. À bientôt.